Hello everyone, it's Jessica. I hope everyone is having a great week so far, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys a beautiful piece of jewelry that was sent to me from Willwork Jewelry Company, and I do want to thank them for collaborating with me on today's video. I will have all of their information down below in the description box, and if you have never heard of Willwork Jewelry before, they are an online jewelry company that specializes in handcrafted gemstone engagement rings, wedding rings, pendants, and earrings. Their pieces are very whimsical, colorful, and very unique. And here is the beautiful ring that I chose. I thought it was so stunning. And I chose the vintage oval cut green moss agate stone engagement set. And I chose it in sterling silver, but you can customize it if you prefer gold, rose gold, or white gold. And here is a close-up of what the rings look like on my hand. I love that they are very nature inspired. The bands actually look like vines with leaves wrapped around my finger. And the green moss agate stone is beautiful. I have never owned this type of stone before, so I was really impressed. So the rings also came with a thank you card, some jewelry care instructions, a coupon for 20% off my next purchase, and also a jewelry cleaning cloth. And it also came with a beautiful gift bag, which I thought was a really nice touch. So I thought it would be fun to share a little bit of information about the stone. So the moss agate comes in green, blue, red, yellow, and brown, and it's very common in the US, Australia, and India. It's also said to be the stone of wealth and attracts abundance, and it's also said to improve self-esteem and strengthen positive personality traits. Anyways, I wanted to thank Willwork Jewelry again for collaborating with me on today's video. I absolutely love this ring, and definitely check out their website. They have something for everyone. I will have their link and the link to this ring down in the description box, so definitely check them out. I will also have a coupon code if you're interested. And if you're wondering, yes, Miss Peanut, my assistant, did approve of the ring, and we both want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to check out some more of my content here on YouTube, I did leave 2 more videos on the screen here to check out.